So listen, this random giveaway is based on this video right here, my DIY nail decals. As I was preparing for that video, and then I was doing the price comparisons, and then when I saw the comments from so many of you who really want to try this, I decided to give away the water decal paper. Because for those of you who watched, you saw how expensive that paper was. Now, I'll be keeping the ones I ordered online, but I still have the 2 packets from Michael's, and I'll be giving away one of them. The only reason why I didn't decide to give away the second one is because the other one was open just before my online order came in. But if you want me to do a second giveaway for that packet, I'll surely do that for you. So please leave a comment and let me know. None of the paper was used, and it's only the packaging that was opened. So, Omneys WISH, who is a nail tube sister of mine, says here, that would be awesome to win a sheet. Who cares if it's open or not? Okay, girl. Then, Unpolished by Aggie, who is also a YouTube friend, says here, I don't mind about open packets. I'm sure everyone feels the same. Thank you so much, Aggie. And I'm sure you guys do too, because I thought of that. So visit these ladies' channels and give them the support, because I'm so thankful for this suggestion from both of them. For anyone that's new here, let me explain my random giveaways. Random giveaways will be on-the-spot announcements, like random gifting. You must be subscribed to my channel, and there's no need to enter. A winner will be chosen from those who left comments on the feature video of the random giveaway, because I truly appreciate you. If you are selected, you can DM or email me at PickYouColor on IG or PickYouColor@gmail.com with the heading Random Giveaway. If a winner doesn't come forward within 10 days, an announcement will be made and the gift will be held for a random giveaway that features another video. I thank each and every one of you, and there will be more like this to continue expressing my appreciation for your support to my channel. This is the reason why I'm doing part 2 to give the second packet of water slide decal paper away. Isn't this exciting? It just carried on into a part 2. So let's do this, guys. DG, I am so happy for you. You are always here supporting. You've just won a pack of Spin It Water Slide decal papers. Congratulations!